Hi, meteorologist TJ Del Santo. Today is going to be a little bit drier, especially compared to the deluge that we had yesterday. We're still looking at some lingering impacts from yesterday's rain. Still looking at a flood warning for northern Rhode Island and parts of Bristol County, Mass. Flooding of rivers and creeks and streams and other flood-prone areas could lead to some road closures today. So kind of keep that in mind. Today will be a little bit drier, though. That's some good news. Let's take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. And we are expecting to see some clouds and fog and mist this morning, giving way to a little bit of sun. But we're also looking at the possibility for a couple of showers popping up, mainly during the afternoon and mainly inland areas. Tonight we'll cloud back up, and then tomorrow we're looking at the possibility for some more rain showers to arrive, especially during the late afternoon and during the evening hours. Now, I'm thinking the worst of this will be off to our west across Connecticut and southeastern Massachusetts in terms of the heavy rain. But we can't rule out some areas of heavy rain which could aggravate those areas, those brooks and streams and small rivers that are already pretty high. So we could be looking at some issues tomorrow with flooding. On Thursday, it does get better. The showers and clouds will be getting out of here in the morning hours. We're looking at sunshine, less humid air for your Thursday afternoon. That continues into Friday as well. But we're also tracking Hurricane Lee. All right, for today, 77 degrees, morning drizzle, fog, getting a little sun, also the possibility of a quick shower or two. For tonight, 68 degrees, little drizzle and mist, clouds and fog. And taking a look at tomorrow, we're starting off dry. I think we're looking at maybe some more showers, especially late day and during the evening hours. Some of it could be a little heavy, but again, the worst of that should be off to our west. Looking ahead into Thursday, sunny, less humid, looks good, about 77 degrees. Let's talk about Hurricane Lee. Still a major hurricane, Category 3 storm out in the Atlantic. Looks like it's going to pass off to the west of Bermuda. Good news for them. It'll be weakening as it heads north. In fact, as it gets a little bit closer to us, it'll be transitioning into a tropical storm and maybe just a plain old area of low pressure. Take note of what we have here. This is the cone of uncertainty, where the actual storm track, the center of circulation, could go. It could go as far west as Cape Cod. It could go as far east as way out there in toward Atlantic Canada. So that's what we're tracking. It doesn't really matter, though, exactly where the center of circulation goes. The hurricane is pretty huge, so we're still going to be seeing some impacts, maybe some rain and some wind over the weekend. Taking a look at the spaghetti plots, these are dozens of computer models that we track, and they all seem to be converging on a path off to our east. Good news there for us. A little bit closer of a track, maybe on the eastern edge of this path here, and we're looking at a little bit more in the way of rain and wind, maybe some large waves. More of an eastern path, and we're looking at probably a great weekend, maybe just some large waves. Either way, we're looking at large waves over the upcoming weekend, starting late Thursday into Friday and especially into Saturday. Large, dangerous waves, dangerous rip currents at area beaches. So that's what we're tracking with Lee. Again, we have that flood warning in effect for northern Rhode Island, parts of Bristol County, Massachusetts, as some brooks and streams will be overflowing through the daytime today. We'll have the full forecast on 12 News.